Hey guys, this move is called a Fireman spin. You will need your pole on spin mode. I'll show you what it looks like and then break it down to you. Okay, so when you're ready, start by standing side onto your pole. Place your inside arm nice and high with your outside arm across your body just below chest height. Begin by doing a little step with the inside leg and then sweep your outside leg to face the pole. Place the calf on the front of the pole and as you spin, lift the other leg and push the shin to the back of the pole. Keep your knees wide and keep pushing your body away from the pole using that bottom arm. Don't allow the pole to rise up towards the hip. Dismount from the pole by placing your outside leg down first and then your inside leg.